Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new update on PEPE, which I actually used to cover daily. I haven't been doing that anymore. Now I cover it like every other day. And I want to know what you think about that. Are you still interested in these PEPE updates daily, or should I do them every other day, so every 2 days? Then I also have a little bit more to talk about, right? I mean, right now I do have quite a lot to talk about regarding PEPE and what I think. So that those usually are better videos, I would say. But let me know. And in this video, like I said, we'll just do a full analysis of PEPE. If you are interested more in more PEPE updates, then consider subscribing. If you're new, welcome. But yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll just do a full kind of expectation and prediction for this start of the week. And end of the week, I guess you could say, even though, I mean, depending on how you view life, Sunday is either the end or the beginning of the week. So, but we'll take a look at PEPE. Before we dive into that, as you can see from the top, I'm a full-time profitable trader as well. If you'd like to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, or go to cilinix.com. So now, onto PEPE. So what we're seeing right now is, first of all, the volume is relatively low in the markets. So PEPE has actually done some sort of trending things, but overall the volume is relatively low. Like right now it's around 80 million. That's a decrease of 70% from yesterday. So that means something. That means that we're losing a little bit of momentum. Yesterday we obviously had a bit of momentum heading into the weekend. Like we had a big drop at the end of at the end of the week Friday, bit of bullish momentum, but only in the end to take some sort of a bearish break retest off of the level around 16,700. So that's where we are right now. I would say technically, like we actually talked about some potential structures forming in terms of Elliott wave theory, but that's all out of the door right now, because even though we had a nice little structure right here, and we also had the start of a nice structure right here, I would actually say that it's like this is the situation. I think we're just consolidating, which is pretty weird because there's a lot of volatility in this consolidation, which is, I mean, it's great to trade. But we are consolidating between 18,500 at the top and then at the bottom around 14,500. So altogether, the most likely scenario right now is that we'll drop down to the bottom because we just hit the top, and that's also confirmed. I think if you take a look at the price right now, what you'll see is that we this level right here around 16,500, we broke down below that. We actually took a bearish break retest right here, and we are bearish from that level again. So that's bearish confirmation overall. And then we'll drop down to 15,000, 14,500, and we will hold that initially. I don't see any reason why we would have some sort of a bearish breakout soon. I do think at some point of time, but that's assuming that we will get into a more bearish market again in the next 2 months or so. I think at some point of time we'll break down below 14,500 and we'll drop down to 12,000. I think that's most likely, but for now, I don't see any reason why we would drop down to that level. So I think from there, we'll actually find support, consolidate, probably something like this, and then at some point of time get up towards 17,500 and 18,000 again. And yeah, but I'll keep you updated on that. I mean, this is just short term what I expect, and a little bit more medium term, I guess you should say, what you can expect in terms of a breakout out of this range. So that's, I think, everything you need to know on PEPE for now. If you do have any questions still, as always, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.